Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I'm going to show you how to make 2 4x4 designer series papers into this beautiful little star. So I'm going to make a Christmas star with this one using Christmas paper, and all you do is you cut a piece of designer series paper to 4x4, and then we're going to take our trimmer and we're going to score at 2 inches. You don't want to push real hard, but you want to get that score line. So I kind of go light over it multiple times. Then you're going to turn it sideways. You're going to go 2 inches. Then you're going to go diagonal. Now you could just fold it, but I like to have the score lines. So I put my corner right in between that cut and this cut, and you'll get a nice diagonal there. And then you're going to do that with the other side. So we're going to have diagonal scores and cross scores. So just think of a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and how you like yours cut and how the other people like theirs cut. So you're going to do that to 2 sheets of designer series paper. And you're going to do the exact same thing to each side. Next, you're going to want to go in on these cross lines. So we'll go ahead and get those score lines nice, and we'll do it diagonally. And this is why I like to do the score lines, because it makes it so much easier than trying to line up the corners, and that's how I am. So if you don't have a scoreboard or a trimmer that can do that, then don't worry about it, just fold it in half. Okay, so now these 2 lines this way and this way is what we're dealing with, and we want to go 1 inch in. So you'd mark right here at that 1 inch line, or you can do what I do, and I take my scissors and I mark my scissors 1 inch in. So if you're going to be making a whole bunch of these, just mark your scissors. It makes it so much quicker and easier. That way all you do is you take that score line, you're going to see exactly where that is, and then cut right up that center score line, and you're going to do that all 4 lines. Again, this is only the straight lines, not the diagonal lines. So just like that. And now you've got these lines. So next, you're going to want to take each of these and fold them in, bringing this edge right to that center line. Now this is a little bit harder because you need to have those diagonal lines go all the way down. So I do that beginning part, and then I fold it in like this. And then you're going to do it the opposite side, and again it's going to go straight across and down, and you'll want to burnish that down as well. And you do that all the way around. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. These would be great to make for any occasion. I just happen to be doing this one for Christmas, to make a Christmas star, but you could do it for Thanksgiving and have it as a name holder, anything like that. So many different ways to do it. But we're gonna do this one across here, and while I'm finishing that up, I will tell you that after you're done making these and putting them together, you can decorate them however you want. You can add some bling or anything like that. So let me know in the comments if you like to do paper crafting for Christmas, or if shopping is more your thing, or baking, because Christmas is just a time that we love to get creative, or at least I do, but different times, different people. Some love to bake, some love to cook, craft. I find that a lot more people craft during the holidays. I know I do. I love to craft for the holidays. So we're going to do this one. And if you wanted, I haven't told you guys all about joining Stampin' Up! In quite a while, but you can always join my Stampin' Up! Team if you want to get some of your supplies at a pretty good discount. To join, it's only $99, and you get to pick $125 worth of product. And then all you do is you pay the $99 plus tax. Shipping is included. So you get a good little discount there. Having a hard time lining this one up. Talking and lining up. Okay. So if you know anybody who might be interested in becoming part of the Stamping Beauties team, I would love to have you, or love to have them. It would make a great gift. They do have to buy the starter kit themselves, but you could always give them the $99 to do so if you know somebody creative, and I can make something very nice to give as a little gift to go along with your gift of a Stampin' Up! Demonstratorship. So, I mean, they can get up to 25% of a discount on everything they buy. And you know what I love is that we also get to take advantage of the discounts that are currently going on, and we still get 25% on top of that. So I love that. All right, so now as you see, this is what you're going to get, and then you're just going to take these pieces, and one piece goes right over the next, and that's how it goes for all 4 of them. So I go ahead and I take my glue, and I'm gonna glue not a whole lot. You don't want it to be a whole lot of glue because you don't want it falling out. It will get messy if you put too much glue. So you could use glue, you could use tear and tape, or you could use adhesive, snail adhesive. It's not called snail, oh my gosh, it's been forever. Stamp and Seal. So you're just going to lift that up and put this down and make a nice little corner like that. You're going to do that to all of the sides. So remember the side that's glued, so the side that's not glued is what gets done. And I just stick my finger underneath there. But be careful because you could get glue on the other side, just like I did there. But I'll still do it again. I'll stick my finger under there. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. And once you're done with that, you're going to come up with this nice little frame here. Now I got glue on me, so I'm going to clean myself up real quick. I always keep alcohol near me, and I'm just going to spray it on my fingers to get the glue off. And then some of it fell onto here, so I purposely did that. I'm going to put a little bit more because I also want to get any glue off my glass mat as well. That's what I love about this glass mat. So, like I said, if you do get a starter kit, you could choose the glass mat as one of your items. You can get any items that are current. Okay, so I showed you how to do that, and then all you do is you make 2 of them. And then what you're going to do is you're going to flip one over, and you're going to put them back to back like this. Just like that. So you could use glue, you could use adhesive, but what I like to do is just take a glue dot, and I'm going to take my take your pick tool and pull off one of these glue dots here and stick it right there. And then I go to where it should be. And then I put the next one down. And we're just going to put that down right there. And we're just going to put these around. Once you get the first one, you can kind of see where the next ones go. And sometimes you're off, and that's okay. If you're off, you just will move it around, or you can measure each one. Well, that came off completely. We're gonna just put that one right there. And then we'll do another one. We'll go right there. And we have 2 left. We'll put one here. Hold on, that glue dot came off. There we go. These particular glue dots are the ones that came with Paper Pumpkin. So, oh my goodness, what am I doing here? I stuck a whole glue dot down, but I already have them on here, so I'm just going to pick it up in case I need. Okay, this is where it goes. Nope. We're just going to do a whole new one. And then we're just going to take these little pieces off to make sure the glue dots are showing. Now we got one more here that wants to be a fighter. There we go. Okay, so once we've got that down, we're going to take our 2. I'm going to use my glue dotted side so I could see better. And we're going to put those together. So again, like I said, you might have to move your glue dots around so that they're sticking in the right spot. And I just move them like that. And then you get them to hold there. So it needs to be moved a little bit. Just like that. And then I'm going to need one more because this one is kind of torn. I'm going to get that there. I know exactly where it needs to go. we go. So we've got those sticking nice and well together, and then we're going to take another glue dot and we're going to get a small piece of ribbon. We're going to take that piece of ribbon and we're going to glue two pieces to each other, just like this. We'll fold it back on itself, and then we're going to take another glue dot and we're going to put that on this back side. You're going to take that part off, and again you're going to fold that back now onto itself so that this side has no glue and this side has all the glue. And then you're going to take your piece and, well, we'll put it on this side. You're just going to glue that, and so it adheres like that, and now you have a nice little hanging star, but you might want to make it a little cutesy. So we're going to take one of these little guys and we'll put it right here, right at the end. And then you might want to take another one and just put them in the middle here, all the way around. And maybe you don't want to use these little candy cane stripes. You might want to use some gold or silver or anything that would just make this nice and sparkly. So we're just going to put one more. And so there is my little Christmas star, and then when it's hanging, it's just going to look super cute, and it's good for on both sides. You can decorate both sides. So I would go through and I'd probably put some nice little bling on the ends of each of these and maybe on the sides as well. And you can make a whole bunch of these and hang them on trees. You can make them out into gift cards. So many great things. Let me know what you would do with these, and I hope you like these. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up, and I appreciate you guys continuing to watch the Beauty and the Stamper channel. If you wanted to buy any of this stuff here, I will put the link in the description of the YouTube channel, and you can get it there. All right, have a wonderful night. Bye.